Mommy.
What's in that cup?
Valentine pink milk.
Valentine pink milk?
Yeah.
For you?
Yeah.
How does
Yeah.
it taste?
Mommy. Yay! Yeah. Yay!
I know, because you're so excited
Yeah.
about your pink milk for Valentine's Day.
From that freak die.
From what?
From that freak.
Whoop, whoop, put it in your mouth.
From that freak die.
From that. What guy? Who brought you pink milk? Did someone bring you pink milk?
Yeah.
Who?
I thought it was the guy at the restaurant.
A guy at the restaurant?
Yeah.
Oh, what does he look like?
He has a blue shirt.
He has a blue shirt.
How do you do blue?
Blue.
He has a blue shirt.
Uh-huh.
You take some food.
And he brought some food?
Yeah.
And he brought you pink milk?
Yeah.
Because he knew it was Valentine's Day for you?
Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Yep.
That's really nice.
Yep. Yep.